Nou, as gevolg van die oortredings wat aangegaan is, die feit dat hulle mekaar nog met 'n laaste paar bomme aangeval het natuurlik daartoe gelei dat nie almal baie tevrede was daarmee nie. En kom ons luister 'n bietjie na wat dit sê Donald Trump van die situasie.
Yeah, I do. They violated it, but Israel violated it too. Israel, as soon as we made the deal, they came out and they dropped a load of bombs, the likes of which I've never seen before. The biggest load that we've seen. I'm not happy with Israel. You know, when I say, okay, now you have 12 hours, you don't go out in the first hour and just drop everything you have on them. So I'm not happy with them. I'm not happy with Iran either. But I'm really unhappy if Israel's going out this morning because the one rocket that didn't land, that was shot, perhaps by mistake, that didn't land. I'm not happy about that. You know what? We basically have two countries that have been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the they're doing. Do you understand that?
Nou ja, daar hoor julle hoe Donald Trump dan die F-woord laat val. Ek sien hierdie klip het hulle hom bietjie gesensor, hulle het 'n beep ingesit, maar die oorspronklike een was baie hard en duidelik waar hy gesê het Israel weet nie 'n F wat hulle doen nie.